Hi boys and girls, this is your math lesson for Monday, May 4th, and we are on lesson 125 today. We are skipping forward a little bit. We are skipping lesson 124 and we are going to be on 125 today. So we're going to learn about our multiplication by 4 today, and we're going to do that by learning how to divide into equal groups using the number 4. Okay, so let's look at this picture that I have. Okay, it's hard to see, but I do have some equal groups here, some groups basically, and I'm going to make equal groups using them. So this would be a group, and this would be a group, and this would be a group. All right, so I'm going to divide the number 52. Okay, I want to divide that evenly. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go 1 here. Let's do a line. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay, so I'm giving each group an equal amount. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Remember, I'm doing the number 52. So I'm at 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What number do I need to go to? 52. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. There we go. So I divided the number 52 into some equal groups, and I have how many in each group? That's right, I have 4 in each group. How many groups do I have? I have 13 groups. So 13 groups, and each group has 4. So what multiplication sentence do you think we could write using those numbers? We have these 3 numbers. Remember, I'm working with equal groups, so I could use my times. So 4 times 13 would equal 52. All right, now the reason I chose to use the example of 52 divided into 13 equal groups is because this right here is a set of playing cards. It's a deck of cards. And there are 52 cards in a deck of cards. There's 52. I also want to draw your attention to the fact that our year has 52 weeks in it. So isn't that pretty cool? A deck of cards has 52. Our year has 52 weeks. And so in the multiplication sentence, 4 times 13 equals 52. Now, let's go back to using this example to help us learn our multiplication facts by 4. I have one group times 4 equals what? How many do I have? I have 4. All right, let's look at this. Now I want to put these two together. I have 2 groups times, they each have how many? 4, which equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want to use 3 of my groups. I have 3 groups times, how many do they each have? 4 equals how many in each group, or how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, now let's use 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. 4 groups times they each have 4 equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nice job. Now let's look and let's put another group with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups times 4 in each group equals how many? 20. We had 16 here, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I have 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 4 equals how many? This is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24. All right, and I could keep going. 7 groups times 4 equals 28. 8 groups times 4 equals 32. Pause the video and check me if you want to. Count all those little sticks. You should have 32 when you get here. 9 times 4 equals 36. 10 times 4 equals, oh, look at there, I wrote the answer. My brain was working faster than my hand. 10 times 4 equals 40. 11 times 4 equals 44. And 12 times 4 equals 48. And we know 13 times 4 is 52. What do you notice about the product? Let's think about the pattern that we see. We could start way back up here too. What's the pattern we see with the product? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52. That's right, they're getting bigger by 4. So when we're working with equal groups, our product grows by 4. And we also have been learning to do some skip counting by 4. Remember, we were doing our toes, knees, shoulders, head, and we were saying our answer when we got to our head. Remember, let's try that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, and see, I was saying my multiples of 4 as I was counting. All right. When you turn off the video, you're going to work on this sheet. Okay, I'm going to do a few of them with you. We are going to be finding the products, which means the answers of our multiplication by 4. Okay. 0 times 4, the 0 is always the hero. 1 times 4, anything times 1 is the other number. 2 times 4 is 8. We should know that one. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Boys and girls, if you need to do the little toes, knees, shoulder, head, do that and skip count and write your answers down on that paper. Nothing wrong with doing that. You're learning. And then down here, you're going to find the missing factor. That will be very easy to do once you get this part filled out. Then you can figure out which ones are missing. So, for example, I see 0. 0 times 4. That was an easy one. I don't mind doing that one for you. Okay. Now, and then over here, you're going to match your two factors with your product. So your factors to your answer. Be sure and do that when you turn the video off in a little bit. I'm going to put that to the side, or actually we're going to do this back side first and then put it to the side. We're going to make a bingo card for practicing our 4s. Remember, when we skip count by 4s, 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now, I don't want to use my 0 and I'm not going to use my 40, but I'm going to use my multiples in between. So I'm going to call out a multiple of 4, and you are going to put it anywhere you want to on your bingo card. All right, how about, let's go in order. Let's go 4. I'm going to put mine here. You put yours wherever you want to. 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. And 4 times 9 is 36. You now have a bingo card that you can use to practice your multiples of 4, your multiplication facts. Okay, and don't forget about doing the rest of this when you turn the video off. That is your instructional portion of this lesson, but we are now going to scoot forward and keep working on our guided practice 125. We're going to do this together, and then when we turn the video off, you can do side B by yourself. Okay, I don't need as much height on that anymore. I'm going to bring it down. Here we go. Here's our guided practice side A. We're going to draw a 2.5 line segment, and we are working with what? That's right, inches, not centimeters. Be careful. So I'm going to find my inches side, and I'm going to draw my line segment. I want to find that line that's halfway between my 2 and my 3. Start there, or stop there, whichever way you go, and make sure you put that point. Measure this line segment using inches. I got 4. What did you get? I hope you got 4 inches. 3 children can sit at each table in room 7. There are 10 tables in the room. Draw a picture to show the tables and chairs in room 7. How many children can sit in room 7? All right, so my question is, how many children can sit in room 7? I want to draw 3 tables. I'm sorry, not 3 tables, 10 tables. 10 tables, I should have circled it first. And 3 at each table. So I'm going to draw 10 tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I better put one back over here. That's okay, it went out. No big deal. And then I'm going to put 3 children at each table. I'm just going to draw some little dots. I know they're not sitting on top of the table. I get that. They better not be, not in my classroom, right? But we're just going to put them there just because we know they're at that table. All right, there's my 3 children at each table. My number sentence is 10 times, because I'm working with the word each, so I have equal groups. 3 equals how many children in room 7? And again, my brain is working faster than my hand today. You have an eraser, I don't. I'm going to put my box, that's my number sentence. Please excuse me for that mistake. 10 times 3 equals box. Make sure yours looks correct. And now we can say 30 children. All right, number 2. Label this array. Write a number sentence for the array. I can see that I have 1, 2, 3 columns. I have 1, 2 going across on each row. And so my number sentence would be 3 times 2 equals 6. Circle the best number sentence to use to estimate the sum of 63 and 29. Well, I want to think about my rounding for 63 and 29. 63 would round to about 60. Remember, this is what I'm thinking in my head. And 29 would round to about 30. So, I'm doing the sum. So, is that going to be addition or subtraction? Yes, addition. I know you got that. So, I'm looking for 60 and 30 where I'm adding them together. Here it is, 60 plus 30 equals 90. Sandy's family ate 2.5 cakes. Color the cake to show how much cake they ate. How much cake is left? All right, so 2½ cakes. I have 1 whole cake, 2 whole cakes, and then I want to do half of another. So, how much cake, that shows how much they ate, color to show how much they ate, how much cake is left. So, if they ate 2½, how much is left? 1½ Number 5, circle the clock that shows 5:45. All right, remember, if I divide my clock, like I do a circle into fourths, I have 3 and 9 are at my quarter marks. 9 means 1/4 and 3 means 1/4 after or past. So we want to know 5:45. So are we in the 6 o'clock hour yet? If it's 5:45? No, we are not in the hour of 6 yet. So I need to find the hour hand that's still at 5. I see 2 of them. I see this one. Just going to put a little check there, and I see this one. But I want to show 5:45. That means it's coming back around to the 6. So would it be the 3 or the 9? It would be the 9. It's 5:45. It's about there, almost there. All right, down at the bottom, I want you to do your computation and we'll share and compare. First one, go. I hope you got 611. Next one. All right, mine looks a little sloppy. 668. Okay. Hope you got that. If you did, give yourself the roller coaster cheer. Woohoo! All right, and then our last one. Let's work it out. Those 3 digits. Be careful with that 9 stuck in the middle. Ooh, I see a really cool magic number. Did you get 100? I hope you did. Let's come back to me. There I am, and there you are, sitting there listening to me, working so hard, I know. Boys and girls, that is both of your math videos for today. So remember, when you turn the video off, you need to do side B. Okay, have a learning partner look over that and check it. Make sure you are on track, getting ready for that big test that's coming up. And then also your side, finish your Fact Master 125A. Make sure you do that. And then also, let's not forget this. We have, let's go back to it on my camera. Not that one, but this one. Your fact homework 125. You have A, where you're going to be the teacher. And then I need you to practice those 100 facts. I know some of you are just getting right there. Some of you are mastering it. Some of you are right there, very, very, very close. And a few of you still need some extra practice. So make sure you're practicing that, because again, you have that big test coming up this week. Let's look at your learning calendar. It looks like it's going to be on Wednesday. So, again, that's all I have for you. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day and keep working hard, learning and growing. All right. Reaching my hands out and bye.